Good morning, and welcome to your daily dose of AI insights from AICI. And we've got some truly fascinating developments to discuss that could, reshape everything from how we build AI to how we monitor our health. Today, we're diving into 3 groundbreaking stories. First, we'll explore how the humble Honeybee is inspiring a new generation of energy-efficient AI. Then, we'll look at Adobe's ambitious move to transform the PDF into a dynamic AI-powered knowledge hub. And finally, we'll uncover how AI is turning our eyes into powerful diagnostic tools, capable of predicting systemic diseases with unprecedented precision. Let's kick things off with a buzz. Researchers at the University of Sheffield have made a remarkable discovery. Honeybees, with their tiny brains, are showing us how to build vastly more energy-efficient AI. They've found that bees use their flight movements to sharpen visual processing, essentially using movement to gather information and perform complex computations with minimal neural power. This is a game changer, especially as the AI industry grapples with escalating energy demands from large language models. Imagine reducing the carbon footprint of AI by orders of magnitude. That's the potential here. This bio-inspired approach could basically revolutionize edge computing and autonomous robotics, where power constraints are a major hurdle. AIC's view on this is that while biomimicry in AI isn't new, this work offers unusually concrete pathways from insect neurology to practical engineering. The emphasis on movement-as-computation could, shift us away from ever larger models towards more context-aware embodied intelligence, which is particularly exciting for robotics. However, we must caution against over-enthusiasm. Translating billions of years of evolution into silicon demands rigorous validation beyond the lab. Next up, Adobe has just unveiled Acrobat Studio, a transformative AI platform that's set to redefine how we interact with PDFs. No longer static documents, PDFs are becoming dynamic knowledge hubs. With PDF Spaces, you can upload multiple documents and interact with role-specific AI assistants that summarize content, generate insights, and answer complex queries. This is a significant move, as enterprises are crying out for contextual AI tools that seamlessly integrate with existing workflows, rather than siloed applications. Adobe's approach combines their Firefly generative models with custom neural networks, ensuring contextual coherence while respecting data governance. From AIC's perspective, Adobe's strategic focus on workflow integration rather than just pure generative flash signals a maturation in enterprise AI thinking. Addressing the pain points of maintaining document context across multiple sources is a genuine need. However, we do question whether the PDF, even with these enhancements, remains the optimal container for next-generation knowledge work. The real test will be adoption beyond creative industries, particularly in sectors like legal and finance, which will demand ironclad audit trails for any AI-generated insights. And finally, prepare to be amazed by the power of oculomics. Groundbreaking research presented at the American Society of Retina Specialists conference has revealed AI's incredible ability to predict systemic conditions like diabetes and neurodegenerative diseases purely from retinal scans. Algorithms are now detecting subtle vascular and neural patterns invisible to the human eye, potentially enabling early interventions for conditions currently diagnosed only after significant organ damage has occurred. This transforms ophthalmology from just vision correction into a front-line diagnostic discipline with profound implications for preventive healthcare. The system has even achieved 89% accuracy in predicting early-stage Alzheimer's from retinal vasculature alone, outperforming current cognitive screening tools. Our view at AIC is that the clinical potential here is immense, but we urge caution regarding implementation timelines. Unlike diagnostic aids for single conditions, multi-disease prediction systems risk creating algorithmic hypochondria if false positives aren't rigorously managed. The true opportunity lies in longitudinal monitoring, using routine eye exams as health barometers, though this demands unprecedented cross-specialty data sharing. Crucially, success will depend on designing human-AI workflows where clinicians remain central interpreters, not passive recipients of black box predictions. What a day for AI! From the microscopic efficiency of bee brains to the macroscopic impact on global health, AI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. These developments highlight a growing trend towards more integrated, context-aware, and biologically inspired AI solutions, all while addressing critical concerns around energy consumption and ethical deployment. That's all for today's AI News Summary. We hope you found it as insightful as we did. Join us again tomorrow for more cutting-edge developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Until then, stay curious. This was brought to you by AIC, your expert AI consultants. If you found this insightful, please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.